Crafting Paradise, unveiling Arlington's top DIY destinations. Welcome to Arlington, Texas, where creativity thrives and the DIY scene is vibrant. Join us as we explore the top DIY destinations in this dynamic city. First up, we have the Upcycle Project, located in downtown Arlington. This unique DIY haven offers workshops and classes on upcycling techniques like furniture restoration and jewelry making. Unleash your creativity and transform discarded items into beautiful and functional pieces. If woodworking and personalized home decor are your passions, head over to Board and Brush Creative Studio. This DIY destination provides all the materials and guidance you need to create stunning wood signs and decor. From rustic farmhouse signs to modern wall art, let your imagination run wild. For those who love working with clay, the Pottery Lounge is a must-visit. Wheel throwing, hand building, glazing techniques. This ceramic workshop offers classes for all skill levels, teaching. Create your own unique ceramic masterpieces, whether functional or decorative. Calling all scrapbooking and paper craft enthusiasts. The Arlington Scrapbook Store is a treasure trove of supplies and inspiration. Choose from a wide selection of scrapbooking papers, stickers, and decorations to create beautiful and personalized scrapbooks. Join workshops and events to learn new techniques and share your passion for preserving memories. And finally, for all your home improvement and renovation projects, look no further than Home Depot. This renowned home improvement store offers a vast array of tools, materials, and expert advice. From painting and flooring to plumbing and electrical work, Home Depot has everything you need to turn your house into a dream home. In conclusion, Arlington is a DIY lover's paradise, catering to a variety of creative interests. Whether you're into upcycling, woodworking, ceramics, scrapbooking, or home improvement, this vibrant Texan city has something for everyone. So, let your creativity soar, get your hands dirty, and explore these top DIY destinations in Arlington to bring your artistic visions to life.